Hello everyone, in this video we will review Warmwind. Warmwind is an AI-powered cloud-based system that works like a digital employee, automating your daily tasks even while you sleep. It controls apps visually, clicking, typing, and navigating screens just like a person, so it doesn't need APIs or coding. You simply tell it what to do in plain language, and it handles jobs like sending emails, updating spreadsheets, or processing invoices on its own. It's built on secure German cloud servers, fully GDPR compliant, and continues running tasks in the background even if your browser is closed. You can teach it how to perform new tasks just by showing it once, and it will repeat them accurately later. It works with many apps like Gmail, Slack, Google Docs, Canva, and even older software without integration options. Warmwind is designed for non-tech users and is already gaining a lot of attention with the thousands of joining its waitlist and strong investor support. It's like hiring a smart virtual assistant that runs 24/7. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.